boom, right? So real quick, I'm going to ask 3 quick questions, and then we're going to get out of here.
Perfect.
B and David, first and foremost, how was your experience working with myself?
Go ahead.
I'll go. Amazing. Seamless. I think the fact that I didn't have to lift a finger, right? You did everything for me from start to finish. Our first conversation was December of last year. I'm now closing in March, like the first blitz is what you call it.
Yeah.
You said, hey, you're going to get to a house, you're going to figure it out. That's exactly what happened. January to now, have a house, good to go, new chapter of our life. So you made it easy. I encourage everyone, choose this guy.
I appreciate that. And then with all the realtors out there, why did you decide to trust me as being your realtor?
For me, it's the family orientation of it, right? It wasn't a business transaction. You really put our interests at the forefront. Despite what it meant for your business, you made sure that we were taken care of. So it's really easy. In the game of business and real estate, you know that it's a transactional game, right? But you approached it as we were family. You made sure that my interests were at the forefront, took care of us. So easy decision, right? It's a close relationship rather than just a number to your book. So it was done, easy deal.
Absolutely. Yeah. Not just another number at all. So we appreciated that.
Of course. And the last question, what would you tell your friends and family when recommending myself?
You got it.
You sure?
Yeah, you've been doing good.
Easily. I think if you want to step away from the hustle and bustle of just figuring out houses, what the mortgage looks like, everything, if you want to go to a one-stop shop where you just say, Diante, this is what I envision, he takes your vision and makes it a tangible thing that you can do. So if you just want to quick, streamline, get it done, that's what I'm telling my family. Like, we don't want heavy lifting. Diante does that for us. So we appreciate you.
My man, appreciate
Thank
you guys.
you.
And we got, the special one coming very soon.
There we go.
So
Excellent.
can't wait.
For sure.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
you, man.